You said you're ready to name names. What exactly do you mean?
I'm done staying quiet. I'll mention all the names involved, pimps, security, the rappers I know.
Why now?
Because they are trying to paint me as a liar.
In today's interview, Kid Cudi swore to snitch and he did. He even named your favorite black TV host. Watch the full testimony here.
Next witness, we call Scott Cudi. What did you do for work?
I'm an actor and musician known as Kid Cudi.
Who is this?
Cassie, we dated in 2011.
Who else was she involved with?
Sean Combs.
What did you know about their status?
That she and Sean Combs had some problems and they weren't dating anymore.
In December 2011, did law enforcement respond to your home?
Yes. I had a break-in. Cassie called me at 5:30 or 6 a.m. She said Sean Combs had found out about us. She asked me to pick her up, so I did. Yeah.
Why?
She was worried.
What was her demeanor?
Very stressed and worried.
Where did you go?
The Sunset Marquise.
Why?
I thought it was safe, off the radar.
Who else did you speak with?
Capricorn Clark. She sounded near tears.
What did she say?
That Sean Combs is in the car near my house.
Objection.
Overruled.
You called Sean Combs?
I did. He said, I'm over here waiting for you.
When you arrived, what did the outside look like?
Pretty normal.
Any security camera?
Yes, but I found out they weren't working. But the security cameras had been moved.
Did you move them?
No.
What did you see inside your home?
Gifts were open, some stuff I got from Chanel, and my dog was locked up in the bathroom.
How did you usually leave your dog?
I let him roam.
How long had you had your dog?
3 years.
What changes were behavior of your dog after the break-in?
Jittery, on edge all the time. I got back in and called Sean Combs again. I was looking for him. I wanted to fight him, you know.
Did he answer?
Yeah, he said, I'm on my way. I thought to myself,
Objection.
Grounds?
Non-responsive.
Overruled. Ask a new question.
When you saw Cassie, how did she seem?
depressed.
Did you see Cassie in Connecticut?
Yes, she needed it.
Did Mr. Combs call you?
Yes, he hit me a few times.
Hit?
Called me.
What did you say?
That I didn't want to talk with him. He broke into my house, hurt my dog.
Did you and Ms. Ventura break up?
Yes.
What about your car?
My dog's babysitter called me and told me my car was on fire.
Where were you?
At a relative of my ex-girlfriend.
Where did you go?
To my house, 8925 Hollywood Hills Road.
Let me show you 6 pictures. Do you recognize?
My Porsche. That's the damage to my Porsche from the Molotov cocktail.
Who took these photos?
Chip, a good friend and collaborator.
What's depicted here?
The hole they cut in the roof of my car to put in the Molotov cocktail.
What was your reaction to your car being set on fire?
What the?
Objection.
Overruled. Before jurors come back, will you finish the witnesses of today?
Yes, though the cross of Mr. Kaplan was 3 times long that we thought.
Jury entering.
Was the damage on your car present before the call from the dog sitter?
No.
Did you think it was accidental or intentional?
Intentional.
Where did you last see Ms. Ventura?
At the Soho House. I'd reached out to Sean Combs and said, let's talk, this is getting out of hand.
Objection. Can we have a sidebar?
Do you have an objection?
Yes.
Sustained, disregard, and move on.
Who set up the meeting at the Soho House?
D. Rockin', my manager.
What was Mr. Combs doing?
Standing there like a Marvel supervillain. He said, we were homies, you know that is my girl?
What did you say?
I thought you had broken up. Then Sean Combs offered me water twice. It was weird, Sean Combs being so calm.
What did Cassie say?
That we have fallen in love, things happened.
What did you say to Mr. Combs?
What about my car? He said, I don't know what you were talking about. I walked away.
Did you see Sean Combs later?
A few years later, also at Soho House, he said, I'm just sorry for all that bullshit. I was surprised, so I found peace with it.
No further questions at this time.
Mr. Steele.
I want to ask you some questions about your Porsche in 2022.
2012.
I apologize. You get a call about damage to your vehicle. Any surveillance photos?
No, my dog's babysitter did send me pictures of the damage.
The DNA taken, are you aware it came back being a female?
Objection. No foundation.
Sustained.
Do you know there were DNA results?
I'll allow that.
No,
Ms. Ventura told you it was over?
we just stopped talking.
You told this honorable court and this jury that she played you.
Yes,
She played you and you had no clue?
no clue.
In 2011, you went on a tour?
Yes,
65 locations?
yeah,
At that time, Sean Combs was an icon, fair to say.
yes.
You and Ms. Ventura had a sexual relationship?
Objection. Sidebar.
Mr. Steele, can I?
No, you can do that on redirect.
Do you want to tell me something?
Sean Combs asked about me doing a song with Ms. Ventura in 2010.
Thank you. You believe they left your front door unlocked?
Yes,
No forced entry?
no,
Just presents opened, door in the bathroom. I'm not belittling, just asking. You called Sean Combs?
Yeah,
He was calm?
yes.
You went to see him, you didn't think he had a gun?
I couldn't call it.
You are a strong person, that's how you categorize yourself.
Yeah, this crossed the line.
Ms. Ventura told you she was abused,
Yes,
but she never said she was sexually abused, true?
she did not.
You loved her? Tell me if I'm wrong.
I did.
You got played by the same person who played Mr. Combs, Cassie Ventura. In the 13 years since, have you ever been notified in California that there has been any more action on this car fire?
No,
Did Ms. Ventura have multiple phones?
I don't remember.
35-12.
If I said it, I said it.
Do you know what a burner phone is?
Untraceable.
The trespass, you call it a break-in. Ms. Ventura told you she'd given your home address to Mr. Combs?
Yes, in the morning.
No more questions, thanks.
No problem.
Redirect?
What did Ms. Ventura confide in you about abuse?
That he would hit her, sometimes kick her.
The day of the break-in, was she carefree?
No.
What did Capricorn Clark tell you?
Sean Combs and an affiliate forced her into a car to come to my house. I called the police.
How would you describe Cassie that day?
Just really shook, him finding out about us.
Why did your relationship with Ms. Ventura end?
The drama, it was getting out of hand. I wanted to give space.
What drama?
The break-in, for my safety, her safety,
Grounds?
Speculation.
Overruled.
Why did you have safety concerns?
because I knew Sean Combs was violent.
Your Honor, may we approach?
Sidebar.
He meeting at the Soho house, Mr. Combs said. I don't know what you're talking about your car. Did you believe him?
Objection.
Rephrase.
What was your understanding?
That he was lying.
No further questions.
Any recross?
No, Your Honors.
Mr. Cudi, you're done.
All right.